We're at the Anaheim packing house today, and I'm going to show you how close it is to get to the community Canvas. Come on, let's get in. So we're leaving the packing house, heading down. There's just been a lot of redevelopment in this area. We still have this same lumber yard here on the right. I think that's here to stay. But over here, they've been working on this for a long time, and I hear that they're building condos on that side, so stay tuned for that. So we are at the corner of Olive and Santa Ana Street, and to the right, we're hitting Colony Park. So this is just the corner of Colony Park. So we're gonna pass it, but you can see kind of how big this community is. It's stretching a few blocks. And a lot of people always ask me about this building on the left, and it's a company that does flavorings and stuff like that. I think scents and perfumes too, but sometimes you'll get a really good smell. It smells like orange tang or something like that. But here we are, and here's Canvas. So we're gonna take a quick right here onto Motif Street. We're here in Canvas. So real quick, to the right of us is the part of the community that's called Violet, and those are all tri-level condos. Some of them have rooftop. And then to the left is Cerise, and these are all detached homes, and they all have rooftops, and these are really big floor plans because this is also a decent sized community. It's about a third of the size of Colony Park, but it's very well planned in my opinion. As you can tell, it's dog friendly. This is their main clubhouse pool area. They've got a little clubhouse rental, a really nice like resort style pool. It's the only pool that they have in the community, so it's on this side, so closest to Santa Ana Street. Quick thing here, there's a little street here. This is going to take you to the other side of the community where the homes in the tract called Claret are. I'm going to show you a different route. Now we're in the single family detached homes. These are gigantic, but they're such cool floor plans. They all have these really cool bonus rooms. You can turn it into a bedroom. You could turn it into like a game room. Remember the models had like these little mini kitchens, and they just looked really, really cool. There was so much space. If you need space, these are really great for that. But I haven't seen a lot of these come on the market. So if you see them, they go fast. We're gonna go outside of the community real quick. We are making a right on Santa Ana Street, just so you can kind of see the outside of the community here. So it's not gated. They've got cute little patios in their front yards. So you've got a little bit of outdoor space with these single families. Colony Park used to be industrial. It used to be where they manufactured the Kwikset keys. So there's a lot of multi-family homes on this side, apartments and stuff like that. And we're gonna pass another newer community as well. This one doesn't have any amenities or anything. It's just gonna be condos. They're all tri-level condos. This is District Walk over here to the right. And our local friendly neighborhood gas station. So this is a lot more industrial than the other side. And you have so you've got a recycling center here, which is right next to the brand new apartments. So these are luxury apartments. They're pretty expensive, to be honest, but they have a lot of amenities in there. So if you're looking to rent, this might be a good spot if you're trying to be in downtown Anaheim. But we are heading into Canvas again. So we're making a right on the other side of the community, and that would be on Mosaic Street. So if you see any of the addresses that say Mosaic Street, it's gonna be off of South Street, so south of Mosaic, and these are the Claret townhomes. These are pretty cool too. There's some that have rooftops as well. And on this side of the community, I like that the street's really wide for one, but they have some cool artwork. We'll go take a look at that. They have this cool outdoor space here that has like a little outdoor pizza oven. They call it the table. It says so right there, but it's just a cool design here. This is that little street that takes you to the other side of the community. So that's the only way to get to the other side. And I love this community because there's ample parking. They have guest parking spots, and these are private streets, so you can't have anybody from outside or that apartment complex parking in here. So that's very handy. Check out some cool artwork. So they hired a bunch of renowned street artists to do the artwork in here. And it's just so cute. Just some cool artwork. It's just so fun. You know, it brings a really cool, lively atmosphere to this downtown neighborhood. And then behind this sound wall is a train. That's gonna be the Metrolink and the Amtrac, the Pacific Surfliner. So it's not like it's a loud train or anything, but you'll hear it. You might feel it if you're like one of the units right next to it, but you quickly get over that. You get used to it. All right, so here we are again. I'm gonna turn left so you can kind of see more on this side. So most of these have side-by-side two-car garages, but there's a couple of the models that have, or actually it might even be one that has the tandem two-car. So just so you can get an idea of what the parking looks like and garages. There's like a little walkway down there. You can see some more artwork down that way. California Gold. Please tell me you know that PBS special. All right, so that was Canvas. Thanks for driving around with me. If you would like to get updated on the latest listings here in the community, go ahead and click the link in the description below to get signed up. Thanks for stopping by. We will see you real soon. Bye.